Hi, welcome to Expert Village. I'm Gretchen Soares, and today we are going to make a fancy 4-patch table runner. In this subunit, we are going to cut our light and dark fabrics into the strips that we will need to piece the blocks. So we lay our fabric out, making sure our selvage is lined up on a long line and the cut line on a straight. We want to make sure it's nice and straight. This fabric has already been trued, so we're nice and straight. And using one of these self-healing mats is really great for cutting these projects out because it makes it far simpler for us, and the grids help us lay it out straight. So we're going to use our ruler, lay it out along the edge, and making sure that we cut on the fold. This fold we want included. And we're going to cut a 3-inch wide strip of fabric. So we have one 3-inch strip of our light color. We're going to go ahead and count out our dark strip. We're going to do it very similar to our light strip, where we line it up, selvage edge on a straight grain with our cut here, lining up our ruler, and we're going to make a 3-inch wide cut. This is our 3-inch strip. We now have a set, and we're going to duplicate that and have 2 sets. Okay, after we've cut these, we should have 2 green and 2 pink strips to piece our blocks with.